Hi mga ka-Ronbel! Mayong Lunes kaniyong tanan. Kasagaran gyud moingon gyud nga kapoy gyud ang Lunes. Labi na sa gikan nag-outing, di ba? Sa mga nagbanding og tungga, kay nay hangover, og sa mga naay dysmenorrhea sama nako. Iset aside lang na inyong gipangbati og be positive. And enjoy your food for lunch. Labi na ko, mag-enjoy ko ron kay it's Samgyeopsal time. Daghan na gyud mga Filipino nga na-love na ang mga Korean nga makapagkaon. Di mo gud ikalimot nga lami magud siya tungod sa iyang timpla og labi na halang. Og salamat sa side sa husband nga they're turning the house into Samgyeopsal restaurant for a day. For father-in-law's death anniversary celebration. In Korea, it has been eaten around 1960s and 70s. This is a good idea kay ba-exercise ang sharing og bonding sa family kay there is a scientific evidence that sharing meals can greatly improve our well-being in both aspects of physical, social, and emotional wellness and has been historically proven to be one of the most meaningful ways to strengthen a community, especially the family. Ang meaning sa samgyeopsal kay grilled 3-layer meat. According to the KoreanGuide.com, while samgyeopsal isn't necessarily the healthiest thing you could eat in Korean cuisine, but it has a bunch of other good minerals and vitamins we need for a well-balanced diet. So, if you eat in moderation, it's perfectly healthy enough. Happy lunch ninyo! Mo ka-Ronbel gums!